Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet, and watching your bank account dwindle with each passing day? If so, you're not alone. Many of us face financial challenges that can seem overwhelming at times, but fear not, because today we're going to dive into a solution that can help you take control of your finances and boost your bank account like never before. In this video, we'll guide you through managing your finances effectively, increasing your income, and reducing your expenses. If you're ready to start your journey towards financial freedom, stay tuned, as this paycheck routine has the power to transform your life. Step 1. Track your income. It involves understanding exactly how much money you earn from all sources regularly. This includes your primary salary or wages, any bonuses, commissions, tips, freelance income, or passive income streams you may have. It's crucial to have a clear picture of your total income to effectively manage your finances. Knowing your income enables you to plan your budget accurately and allocate funds appropriately to meet your financial goals. It also helps you identify any fluctuations or changes in your earnings over time, allowing you to adjust your financial strategy accordingly. By staying informed about your income, you can make informed decisions about saving, spending, and investing. Step 2. Create a budget. This is related to outlining your monthly expenses and allocating funds for each category, such as housing, transportation, groceries, utilities, debt payments, entertainment, and savings. Start by listing all your fixed expenses, which are consistent and essential costs that you incur regularly, such as rent or mortgage payments, insurance premiums, and loan repayments. So, identify your variable expenses, which may fluctuate from month to month, such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Allocate a specific amount for each category based on your income and financial priorities. Be sure to include savings as a non-negotiable expense in your budget, treating it as a regular bill that needs to be paid. Step 3. Pay yourself first. It means prioritizing your savings and investments before allocating funds to other expenses. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense that must be paid first, just like any other bill or obligation. This ensures that you consistently set aside money towards your financial goals, regardless of what's left over after paying your bills. One of the most effective ways to pay yourself first is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts on payday. This way, you'll save money before you have a chance to spend it, making it easier to stick to your savings goals. It's a simple yet effective strategy for achieving long-term financial success. Step 4. Invest wisely. Determine your investment objectives and risk tolerance based on factors like age, financial goals, and time horizon. Choose a diversified portfolio of assets to spread risk and maximize returns, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Utilize tax-advantaged investment accounts like 401 IRAs and IRAs to save for retirement, aiming to qualify for any employer match offered. Consider seeking guidance from a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment strategy tailored to your needs and goals. Successful investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Stay focused on your goals. Avoid impulsive decisions driven by short-term market changes, and continuously educate yourself about investing principles. By investing wisely, you'll establish a solid foundation for long-term financial success and achieve greater security over time. Step 5. Review and adjust your expenses. It involves analyzing your spending habits, identifying areas where you can cut back or save money, and making changes as needed to align your expenses with your priorities. Start by tracking your expenses over a set period, such as a month, to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs, example, rent, utilities, loan payments, and variable costs, example, groceries, dining out, entertainment. Look for patterns or trends in your spending that you can use to identify areas for improvement. Once you've identified areas where you can reduce expenses, create a plan to make changes accordingly. This may involve renegotiating bills or subscriptions, cutting back on discretionary spending, or finding more cost-effective alternatives for everyday purchases. Be proactive in seeking out ways to save money and prioritize your financial goals. Step 6. Pay off high-interest debt. This is crucial for better financial health and increasing your savings. Now, prioritize debts with the highest interest rates first to minimize interest costs using the debt avalanche method. Consolidating high-interest debts or transferring balances to lower-interest options can reduce overall debt costs. Allocate as much income as possible towards debt repayment, making extra payments when feasible. Stay focused and motivated by tracking progress and celebrating milestones. So, while it requires discipline and patience, eliminating high-interest debt frees up money for saving and investing, reduces financial stress, and improves overall financial well-being. Step 7. Financial goals. So regularly reviewing your financial goals is essential for staying on track and making progress towards achieving them. It involves assessing your current financial situation, evaluating your progress towards your goals, and making any necessary adjustments to your financial strategy. Start by revisiting your financial goals on a regular basis, such as quarterly or annually, to ensure they're still relevant and aligned with your priorities. Consider any changes in your life circumstances, such as marriage, children, job changes, or major expenses that may impact your goals or require adjustments to your financial plan. Evaluate your progress towards your goals by comparing your current financial situation to where you want to be. Are you saving enough for retirement? Have you made significant progress towards paying off debt? Are you on track to achieve your short-term and long-term financial objectives? Be honest with yourself about where you stand and what you need to do to reach your goals. Stay flexible and adaptable in your approach to financial planning, and be prepared to make changes as needed to stay on course. Step 8. Set savings goals. It involves determining how much money you want to save and what you're saving for. This could include short-term goals, such as building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, as well as long-term goals, such as buying a home, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Start by assessing your current financial situation and identifying areas where you need to save or invest to achieve your goals. Determine how much you need to save each month to reach your objectives within your desired time frame. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings accounts or investment accounts. By consistently saving towards your goals, you'll build financial security and create opportunities for future growth and prosperity. Step 9. Stay disciplined and consistent. This means adhering to your budget, saving regularly, investing wisely, and making responsible decisions daily. Develop habits like automatic savings, tracking spending, and avoiding impulsive purchases. Remain committed to your financial plan even during challenges, and prioritize long-term goals over short-term gratification. Consistency is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial goals. Make saving and investing a routine, regardless of market conditions. Be patient and persistent, trusting in compound interest to grow your wealth steadily. By staying disciplined and consistent, you'll secure financial security and unlock opportunities for prosperity and fulfillment. Stay focused, committed, and watch as your efforts pay off in the long run. Crafting a paycheck routine for financial growth demands diligence and discipline. By tracking income, budgeting, setting savings goals, paying off debt, and investing wisely, you'll fortify your financial standing. Be proactive in addressing any issues that arise, whether it's unexpected expenses, changes in income, or fluctuations in the market. Success takes time, dedication, and persistence. Implement these strategies to take control of your finances and secure a brighter future. I hope this routine has been beneficial. Implement these steps to gain financial control and freedom. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting us know which method you plan to use in your daily life. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch my previous videos that help you achieve your goals. Be happy